Alright, this is me and my brother again, part 2.
Whatever.
But we're not fighting. We don't want to
Yes,
fight.
fighting.
It's the
good,
same day.
Good.
Alright, then we're gonna fight. But
First of all,
Don't
you need
think-
to know
don't think we're wearing the same clothes
because it's the
it's the
same
same-
day.
it's the same day, okay? So
It's the same day, okay? Did you hear him? He said, oh. It's a Sunday. 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 Sunday.
ah ah ah. Alright, this is alright. I need to go now. Alright. Alright, now we just need to get into the picture. Oh, if you see my feet, then I'm fine. Alright, well. Alright, ow. Ah, ow. Ah. I just hurt my cheek. Oh my god. Oh. Alright, now this is I. Oh. Oh. Ah. Ah. Oh. Ah. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna tap out. 1, 2, 3, and he gave up.
No.
And Angel Gomez is the winner.
Wait, look. As you see, there was a rope break. Look at the replay. I had to tap out 5 times.
Tap out. Then don't even hit hard. Alright. I know you haven't seen us the whole video, but it's all good.
My arm's hurting right now from when he hit me. Oh!